Here's Crumb app keeping your pets safe. Join the community today. The essential app for pet owners. Manage pets profile, alerts for pets in your community. Support local charities. Crumb app is here to help bring lost pets home. Losing a pet is every owner's worst nightmare, and Crumb is designed to make sure no pet stays lost for long, whether you are preparing just in case or actively searching. Crumb puts the tools in your pocket to act fast, stay informed, and rally your community. So with Crumb, you can easily manage your pet's profile, store essential details and photos of your pet so you're ready if they ever go missing. Mark your pet as missing, see missing pets around you, support local animal charities. So quite a great app actually. I think it's only working in US. Or maybe no, maybe I'm wrong, but yes, it's climbing in the charts, in the top charts. You can see at least in US. Just 1,000 ratings so far, but I think it's getting better. Let's just open to see if it's not some scammy app. Uh, Sign to your account. So okay, so you need to actually. So all right, so I think you just need to get some free tag. Uh, and then that's kind of the idea. You can just secure a free tag and you can see comparison with the tag. And then when you get the tag, you can create an account in the app. So app is basically like a marketing tool for for this tag. I think it's quite smart. So pretty cool. Try it out.